Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's video, we will be expanding your vocabulary by learning about 10 essential garden tools. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply interested in outdoor activities, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid grasp of the names and functions of various garden tools. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's cover some basic vocabulary. A garden is a piece of land where plants, flowers, and vegetables are grown. Tools are instruments or devices used for specific tasks. Now, let's explore the 10 essential garden tools together. Our first tool is the shovel. Shovel. With its long handle and wide, flat blade, it's perfect for digging holes, moving soil, and planting. Remember to keep your back straight to avoid injury while using a shovel. Next up is the rake. Rake. It features a long handle with several teeth attached to it. Rakes are essential for gathering leaves, grass, and other debris, helping to keep your garden clean and tidy. Now, let's talk about pruning shears. Pruning shears. They resemble scissors and are used for cutting and trimming plants, branches, or flowers. Pruning shears play a vital role in maintaining the health and appearance of your plants. Moving on, we have the watering can. Watering can. This container with a handle and a long spout is used for watering plants. By providing the right amount of water, you can help your plants grow strong and healthy. Next, let's discuss garden gloves. Garden gloves. These protective gloves shield your hands from thorns, dirt, and other potential hazards while working in the garden. They are a must-have for any gardener. Now, let's learn about the trowel. Trowel. This small handheld tool with a pointed blade is perfect for digging small holes, transplanting seedlings, or scooping soil. Trowels are versatile and handy in the garden. Moving on, we have the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. This small cart with one or two wheels and handles is used for transporting heavy materials like soil, mulch, or plants. Wheelbarrows make tasks easier and more efficient. Next, let's explore the garden hose. Garden hose. This flexible tube is used for watering plants or cleaning outdoor spaces. Garden hoses come in different lengths and are a useful tool for any gardener. Another essential tool is the garden fork. Garden fork. With its long handle and sturdy tines, it's perfect for loosening soil, turning compost, or lifting heavy materials. Garden forks are great for heavy-duty tasks. Lastly, let's talk about the garden hose nozzle. Garden hose nozzle. This attachment fits onto the end of a garden hose, allowing you to control the water flow. Garden hose nozzles are useful for watering plants with different spray patterns. Congratulations! You have now learned about 10 essential garden tools and their functions. Practice using these words to strengthen your vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. Happy learning!